Hi, it's Scott with landscapingestimator.com. Say, let's take a quick look at our lawn care estimator and give you an overview of what it does. It, like our landscaping estimator, is based on Excel. However, this one also includes some landscape features. In addition, we do include an accounting function, and so you can do a cost analysis of your landscaping projects, but that does not include the maintenance. So let's jump on over to the lawn care section, and as you can see, we have all sorts of different kinds of things listed in the maintenance bid worksheet. And most importantly, you can change these capacities, because as mowers and equipment gets better and technology improves, you're going to want to adjust your hourly capacities. But this spreadsheet will give you the options of changing your labor rates, your hourly capacities, your frequencies. You can list whatever size mower or device that you're using and calculate that very easily. This particular spreadsheet also includes a man-hours report, materials list, mulches, different types of mulches, a nursery list, a plants page, rentals, subcontractors, special projects, seasonal displays. We include a section for snow removal, water features and water feature maintenance. This is all in the landscape portion. A totals page that gives you a quick rundown on the totals, and then we include a maintenance contract, and this can be customized for you. So insert your own logo, insert your company information here. It's very easy to take care of. And we also have an itemized proposal, and you can change any of this to better fit your company, but it gives you a great idea of how this works, and you can have your customer sign this proposal. You can also do a lump sum where you'd write a narrative about your project. It's a great system. We really invite you to come take a look at landscapingestimator.com.